What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you the best settings to speed up your Windows 11 performance for a faster and smoother experience. First, enable Storage Sense, which helps free up space by automatically removing unnecessary files. Search for Settings in your Start menu and hit Enter. Once here, head to System and then select Storage. Find the Storage Sense option and turn it on. This feature will automatically delete junk files from your system, making Windows run more efficiently. Click on Cleanup Recommendations and then select See Advanced Options. Here, check all of the options except Downloads to avoid losing your downloaded files. Once selected, click Remove Files to clear out unnecessary data from your C drive, which helps improve performance. Next, adjust your privacy settings to stop Windows from running unnecessary background tasks. In your settings, head to Privacy and Security and then select General and disable all the options listed there. Go back to Privacy and Security, then select Speech and turn off online speech recognition if you're not using any voice-related features. Next, go to Inking and Typing Personalization and disable it if you don't need typing suggestions from Microsoft. Under Diagnostics and Feedback, disable Send Optional Diagnostics Data to prevent Windows from sending data to Microsoft, unless you're part of the Windows Insider program, in which case you should leave it enabled. Now, adjust app permissions to stop unnecessary apps from using your system resources. Go to Privacy and Security and select Location. If you don't use location-based services like Maps, turn it off. Similarly, go to Camera and disable access if you're not using a webcam or video calls. Then, go to Notifications and turn off notification access for unnecessary apps. If you don't use messaging apps on Windows, go to Messaging and disable permissions. You can also disable permissions for apps you don't use, such as Contacts, Phone Calls, Call History, and Emails, to reduce system resource usage. Now, disable unnecessary notifications to prevent distractions and improve system speed. Go to System, then Notifications. Scroll down to Additional Settings and uncheck Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. This will stop Windows from displaying promoted suggestions while you use your computer. Next, remove unwanted apps that take up space and slow down your system. Go to Apps and select Installed Apps. Look through the list and uninstall applications you no longer use. Many default Windows apps come pre-installed, so removing unused ones will free up space and improve performance. Also, go back to Apps and select Startup. Sort the list by status and disable all startup programs except your antivirus software. Disabling startup programs ensures that unnecessary apps don't launch when you start your computer, improving boot time and overall performance. Adjusting visual effects can also make Windows 11 faster. Use the Windows key and R shortcut to open the Run dialog box. Type sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and then click on Settings under the Performance section. Select Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply, and then OK to save your changes. If you don't play games, you can disable the Xbox Game Bar to free up system resources. In your Settings, select Gaming and then disable Xbox Game Bar if you don't need in-game related features. However, if you record gameplay or use Xbox features, keep it enabled. Finally, clean temporary files to free up disk space. Use the Windows key and R shortcut. Type temp and hit Enter. Select all the files in a temp folder and delete them. Some files may be in use, so just skip those. Next, use the Windows key and R shortcut again. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Delete all files in this folder as well. This removes unnecessary cached files, improving system performance. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.